if you read Python programs, so if you see some repository on GitHub in which Python is being used, people write if name / main dot. Even if you haven't seen that as a Python programmer, it's very important for you to know. Oh, I tell you about this in today's video. Oh, let's go to the computer screen and now let's get started. Today's class I will tell you into my introduction what I will be telling you. So now let's start. So first of all, like I will tell you if comma / name / and comma double quotes and / and main / and double quotes in Python. Okay, the if and the idiom is a common pattern used in Python script to determine whether the script is begin run directly on begin imported as a module into another script. Okay, in Python, the hashtag name hashtag variable is a built-in variable that is automatically set the name of the current module. Okay, when a Python script is run directly, the hashtag name hashtag variable is set to the string hashtag main hashtag when the script is imported as a module into the another script. The hashtag name hashtag variable is set to the name of the module. Here is an example how if hashtag name hashtag and hashtag main idiom can be used. And here I will give you an example. Like I will repeat and this I will be telling you. Like I will be running script directly, and here will be see running script directly. It is coming like this. And whenever I will be erase it, and it is giving the here we can erase it. And here you will see it is only tell you running, it is not giving the running script directly. It is very important to write like that. It is very important to write like that. Whenever you will write like that, so it is coming like the running script directly. It is very easy. Okay, and you will write like script like my name is Ryan, A19 and many. Okay, and I like to eat banana, and it is very simple. Okay, so I hope you understand it. And what are the if name and what is that? Okay, so in the example, the main function contains the code that should be run when the script is run. Okay, it is very common thing. I will tell you one another time. In the example, the main function contains the code that should be run when the script is run directly. Okay, so I will tell you one more time. In this example, the main function contains the code that should be run when the script is directly run. Okay, here I will tell you, like I will be erase it. So the script will be not run. Like I will be run it. So you will see the script will not running. And whenever I will be run like that, sorry, I will write like that. I will run it again. So it is coming the run it here, which it is just coming like the running script directly. It is very simple. Very simple. The if statement at the bottom check whether the hashtag name hashtag variable is equal to hashtag main hashtag. If it is the main function is called, what is it useful? The idiom is useful because it allows you to reduce code from a script by importing it as a module into another script without running the code in the original script. For example, consider the following script. Like I will give you one example. I will be copied and I will paste. Like I will run it. It's the same example. Okay, the same example. Like here you will see it, and here you can write like your own your script. Okay, like here I will write like my Mirza Ryan. Where can I will write a own script, and here you see it is very easy. And if you run the script directly, it will Okay, and like here I will be like paste it and I will run it, so like it will not give the, and here replicate updating kernel confirm kernel 4.3 and F2. Okay, it is very simple, very thing. And now here I will go and here I will write like copy it and I will paste it, so the one thing will be output running script directly is the one thing will be downloaded, like I will be run it again. Here you see the replicant out of the resources. Here you see it, I will be close it. And here I will be place it. And my replicant will be okay. So like I will go here and every what you can do my replicant. Oh my, what is my replicant? And like I will go formatting replicant. Oh, duplicate file, change tab. So there is problem into my replicate. So I will what we can do. Here I will be process and another process. So I will be open my replicate again. So I will be go here. Erase it. And now. So now let's talk about. So first of all, I will what we can do here. We can go change tab and I will be open my. Where's my run tab? Files. Main.py. And now it's coming like that. And now I will be open my file. Sorry. Okay. So what we can do here, I will go to my replicate. My replicate will be into the angry. My replicate should be angry. So what we can do, open my file. And whenever I will be open my file, format, and I will be erase it. Erase. Unsave. Okay. Replicate. So it will come like that. So the replicate will be 14. Like my replicate should be 14 finally. So what you can do, like I will for my replicate. So what you can do. So now what I will tell you. So now what is useful. So now let's run. If you run a script directly, it will output running script directly. However, you export add a module into another script and the call the main function from the imported module into will not output anything. And here you can see. This can be useful if you have code that you want to reuse in multiple scripts, but you only want to be run when the script is run directly and not when it is imported as a module. It is necessary. It's important to note that if // name // double quote / main / double quote idiom is not required to run a Python script, you can still run a script without it by simply calling the function or running the code you want to execute directly. However, if the idiom can be a useful tool for organizing and separating code that should be run directly from code that should be imported and use of module. In summary, the idiom is a common pattern used in Python script to determine whether the script is begin run directly or begin imported as a module into another script. It allow you to reduce code and script by importing it as module into another script without running the code in the original script. So I hope you can understand it. I hope you will understand it. What is if double quote / name / has and double and hashtag double quote / main / double quote. And I hope you can, in Python I will tell you here, and I hope you can understand it. Both are that, and I will tell you all things. And okay, so I will meet you next class. And if you not follow me on my Facebook page or my Instagram or my Twitter, so go and follow it. And you will not follow me on my GitHub, so go and follow it. And please follow me on my GitHub, because into my GitHub I will be giving you giving you a source code of my project. What I will build it, like I will be build it it like Instagram clone, and I will be like WhatsApp clone, and I will be give you WhatsApp app and Instagram app. I will be give you source code of into my depth. Okay, so into my GitHub. So I will meet you next class, and next video amazing class. So for today, goodbye.
Te preocupação, ele te bota, soca, 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 sem ele ter preocupação.